Vodafone launches new digital marketing boost to help UK's micro businesses prosper on and offline. By press office, qualifying small business customers will be offered 200 each to spend on social media advertising. Vodafone launched digital marketing boost, a new proposition for Soho business customers, offering them 200 each to spend on social media advertising to help reach new customers. Customers can also benefit from access to the V-Hub digital business support website, one-to-one business consultations with a V-Hub digital advisor, and access to the business connected program. Digital marketing post also includes an exclusive 50% discount on a reverse all access subscription. United Kingdom, Vodafone has launched digital marketing post a new offer rewarding Soho business customers with a 200 social media advertising credit to help them grow online and reach new customers. The new offer from Vodafone has been designed to whet the money base small businesses as when looking to advertise their goods and services online, which includes lack of expertise, experience, and financial resources. Research from the Advertising Bureau UK Lab UK found that 32% of small businesses found online advertising was too expensive, while 36% rated their ability to use digital advertising effectively. A small we have an amazing service for small businesses, say entrepreneurs. Three burgeoning entrepreneurs tell us what we have has done for them. As Vodafone's guidance service for small and medium-sized businesses marks its first anniversary. While I hope to help small businesses continue to develop their digital marketing capabilities and ensure they are able to use the 200 on social media advertising effectively. They also receive a bespoke one-to-one digital consultation with a Hub advisor. Hub advisor and access to the Hub by Vodafone digital business support website. This includes business connected a joint initiative offering online training courses, webinars, and workshops from Vodafone, Enterprise, Nation, Cisco, and Samsung, offering everything from managing an online business and digital marketing to cyber security, and to help customers offline digital marketing cost also includes an exclusive 50% discount on a month with product access membership for 6 months. This includes to hot meeting rooms and private offices around the world. Digital marketing post post is open to all new new and exciting Soho businesses would take out or upgrade to three three or more Vodafone unlimited mobile plans. How Samsung wants to lend more from small businesses. Samsung Electronics UK has joined Vodafone's Business Connected program as exclusive smartphone partner. We caught up with the consumer company to find out why. Find out more. Andrew Stephen, head of UK Small and Medium Business, Vodafone said we're delighted to launch this new offer which aims to resolve some of when marketing their products and services online and also to deal with the change to their real life office requirements by assisting with some of the costs and providing expert resources and guidance. Digital marketing both provides small businesses with everything they'll need to effectively manage and execute their own successful digital campaign, which we hope will help stimulate growth and secure their long-term futures. Find out more about digital marketing boost from Vodafone. Vodafone's unlimited mobile plans provide unlimited worry-free connectivity, including unlimited data, minutes, and texts in the UK, starting from just by 22 a month. Devices include the new Apple iPhone 30 Pro and Pro Max, or pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy S22 range and notes to editors. Soho small office, home office businesses are those small businesses with 1 to 9 employees. We work all access promotion terms and conditions offer available to customers taking out or upgrading three or more Vodafone unlimited mobile line lines. Digital marketing boast terms and conditions. Stay up to date with the latest news from Vodafone by following us on Twitter and signing up for news center website notifications. Read more. Digital marketing boast to help UK small businesses prosper. Press release, press office, 21 February 2022. Solar powered pizza score in business rugby awards. News Callum Pawan, 18 February 2022. How